Jurassic World Dominion Roar Strikers Rajasaurus Dinosaur action figure with roaring sound and attack action, toy gift physical and digital play. Jurassic World Dominion brings new thrills and adventures to dinosaur lovers. At about 13 in long, this Roar Strikers Rajasaurus figure inspired by the movie will expand the definition of dinosaur fun. Paw Patrol, Zuma's Deluxe movie transforming toy car with collectible action figure, kids toys for ages 3 and up. Transforming toy car, push the lever on the back of Zuma's Deluxe vehicle to transform from hovercraft to submarine. All of the PAW Patrol the movie toy cars have their own unique transformation, just like in the movie. TEMI 2-pack set kids archery bow arrow toy set outdoor hunting play with 2 bow 20 suction cup arrows, 2 target and 2 quiver, LED light up function toy, outdoor toys for kids, boys and girls ages 3-12. Tart aiming and firing right away, package contains 2 main bow body, 20 suction cup arrows, 2 target and 2 quiver. Threeking RC Cars Stunt Car Remote Control Car Double-sided 360 degrees flips rotating 4WD Indoor-Outdoor Car Toy present gift for boys/girls ages 6+. Amazing stunts are, in addition to the basic skills that ordinary remote control cars should have, the car can also roll and rotate in situ at 360 degrees and drive on double-sided. When the car encounters a small obstacle, use the remote control to make the car roll or double-sided driving. Two *AA batteries needed, not included. More attractive outdoor toy, the Archery set with LED light is one of the favorite outdoor toys for kids.